Okay. So that's it. It's not really a lot though. At least it's not like Pokemon. You know, Pokemon you have to get 700 something Pokemon in total because of the Generation 7. Wait, 6? I think 7 is the Sun and Moon, right? Yeah. Okay. It's been a while since I watched Pokemon. But you know, I swear though, you know that kid Ash Ketchum, man, he should have been like an adult by now. I mean, look at Naruto and Goku. Those guys are old. I mean, Naruto could be like 30ish something-ish, 30 something-ish, oldish. And then look at Goku, he's like 50 something. Alright, because I'm gonna catch this one. Alright, not to kill, don't kill, don't kill. Okay, maybe another one. We gotta weaken it. Come on. Okay, I think it's good, so we're gonna catch it. Capture this, go! Motherfucker. Bastard. Maybe I'm supposed to like make it weaker. I don't know if this counts, but I'm gonna try. Okay, because I don't really know much of those sets. Come on, I just wasted to capture this. Come on. Yes! Nice. Got you, bitch! My apologies if I'm cursing, guys. Just, oh man. Swipe. What's that? I need to check. So. Oh, nice. I had to switch these, so. Switch your muscles. Lower your attack, so. I guess I need to. Gonna switch that. Boom. Yeah, got that one now. Gotcha. Okay, surprised I didn't caught any there. Ah, we gotta go over there. Okay, what else? Nice! I'm catching that. Good thing there are less. No, I'm not gonna swipe it. Look at the damage. That ain't good. Okay, maybe if I try... Stole it! Doesn't mean I lost it? Better not. Don't die, don't die! Yes! Good. Okay, good. Let's catch it. I'm pretty sure I can get it. If I don't get it, I'll be like, wow. Come on, it's really weak. Yeah, so I thought. Booyah! Haha, gotcha. Group 1, got it. Dang, the cave. Oh, what's over there? Oh, hey, I should check over there. Are you dangerous? I don't know. Just, decorations, decals, you know. Oh. Where'd you shot? Where'd you shot though? Okay, I need to see, like, doesn't mean I still have it, right? Good, okay. I think he took it. I'd be like, wow, man. I need that coffee. I do. I don't think I catch that one. I don't know. I keep forgetting because I haven't played Loomian Legacy in a while. Ah! Let's go. Okay, now's my time to try swipe. Oh! Man, it took like a lot of... Oh, yeah. Good thing it shows it, right? Wait. Wait, did I use that before? Let me see. This was a shot. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, okay. Now that makes sense. God, I'm so weak. Ah, no. Dang it. I'm gonna have to rest later on. Yeah, I forgot about this. Oh, yeah, I'm dead. I'm gonna have to switch. Oh, too bad I can't use those. I'm gonna have to switch it like some. Okay, we're gonna try this one. Oh, okay. God, I need to see like, what kind of moveset is it. So that's attack. Oh, lower accuracy. Oh, that sucks. Let's try. Give it a shot. They actually did it? Oh. I was like looking at my phone, so I didn't even saw it. I'm bug bite. Oh man. Bug versus bug. What do you mean avoid it? Ah, we're gonna have to like... Oh my god, this is crazy. This is not good, guys. Not good at all. He's gonna keep raising. She's gonna keep on raising, bro.